Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a young boy named Dong Yu Chang. He had a special gift. He could understand the language of birds. One sunny morning, a shiny golden feather floated down to him, carrying a mysterious message. The birds told Gong Yu Chang about a hidden treasure, guarded by a giant enchanted owl. They said only someone who could speak their language could find it. Excited, Gong Yu Chang followed the birds deep into the heart of the forest. As he walked, the trees whispered secrets and the flowers sang soft melodies. Suddenly, a bright, glowing light appeared, leading him to a secret cave. Inside, the giant owl stood, its eyes sparkling with magical wisdom. The owl spoke in a deep, echoing voice. "To prove your worth, solve this riddle." Gong Yu Chang listened carefully, and with the help of his bird friends, he answered correctly. The owl, impressed, handed him a magical flute that could summon any bird in the world. With the flute, Gong Yu Chang could help the birds whenever they were in trouble. He became a hero in the forest, known for his kindness and bravery. The birds and animals celebrated him with a grand feast, filled with laughter and joy. Children, now you understand the power of kindness and the magic of understanding others. Just like Gong Yu Chang, you can make friends and solve problems by listening and caring. Remember, every creature has a story to tell, if only we take the time to listen.